What's good? What's happening, guys? It's Sam, Mr. Blitz Tech, and today we'll be continuing with some more tech videos on my PlayStation 5. That's right, Project Frankenstein is in full effect. Woo! I just don't know why I have a backlog of games. I just continue to download more games, even though I might not just play them. Just the fact that they are there possibly reminding me I'm going to play them or not, who knows. I'm going to expand my PS5 storage. Yes, 1 terabyte more because on the release, they just don't give you enough for people like me, where you got tons of games and you just want everything on your PlayStation. That didn't go so well. So I'm finally glad that they got this update that you can expand your storage. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I haven't got the SSD with me because it's in my PlayStation. I haven't got the box because I've lost that somewhere in my multiverse of madness. But nevertheless, what we're going to do is definitely just dive into my PlayStation. I'm going to show you how to change the actual thing inside, screws and all. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to definitely do this. So let's dive in. So here you just want to head over to your settings, head all the way down to storage, and there you will see your current console storage capacity, and if you've got a USB extended storage as well, which I do have, just for digital games, just to go anywhere else. As you can see, the console storage just isn't enough, man. What is this? Like, advertised at almost 800, you only get up to 666 gig. I mean, if you're playing something like Call of Duty or any other kind of game, it's just not enough. So here, you definitely want to expand it and get more by doing the SD slot. It's mad. All right, so what you want to do is make sure you've powered down your console, removed all the cables. You don't want to like experience a shock or anything because that would be crazy. If you got the disc version, what you want to do is make sure that is facing up towards you. Take off that panel and voila, there you go. As you can see, there's the fan, and this is where you'll be opening it up. And this is the slot you will need where the SD will be located. And just make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver. So now we just take it off and just start twisting that thing. There you go. It's twisting, it doesn't take too much force or anything like that. Unlike the panel is always a pain to take off, but if you're used to it, then it shouldn't be too much of a problem. It might take you an hour or two. It took me about 5 hours. I'm joking. It took me a while to get it off. But here you go. This thing just slides off, and there you go. As you can see, this is where the SD would be. There's another screw just in case you need to remove this for a bigger SSD slot. But there's a screw in there to fix on your SSD regardless anyway. So thankful for that. If you don't have one, I don't know what you've been doing to your console. It's a bit mad. I know you're always losing screws and stuff, but hey ho. So now you want to do is import your SSD. I bought an extra heatsink with mine. I bought the Western Digital one, 1 terabyte. More than enough storage. As you can see, you just want to make sure it clicks in there, fits in quite nicely. Get that screw that was in there in the first place and just put it into the allotted slot just above your own SSD and screw that quite tightly back in. Yeah, I've got butterfingers, so this thing is moving all over the place. Just make sure it's in place, screw that back in, and voila! Before you know it, your SSD is where it wants to be. Put that slide panel back on, also screw that back on, and woo! You can already feel the power surging through your console. You know you're going to have that more storage, up to 1.5 terabytes of data. It's lovely feeling. Just put back the panel back on, slides back on. Man, I need some cream for my hands. That's a bit. What are my hands so dry for? And there you go. Mad. Console ready. So now, once you have booted up your PlayStation 5, as you can see, this screen will come up. Do not be alarmed. This is meant to happen. Just to make sure that you're formatting your SSD. So if you got an SSD from somewhere else, you're pre-using another existing one, you would have to reformat just the SSD, not your current hard drive that's in there, so don't worry. But I do implore you guys to back up everything regardless anyway, whether it be saves, your games, anything, yeah, on your system. So once that's done, it's quite quick. Just go to storage in your settings and voila, there you go. You got 1 terabyte of storage. It's actually mad. So anytime you've got those massive games like your Call of Duties, I don't know how many times they're going to keep updating that goddamn thing, but that's going to be a problem anymore, basically. It's going to be a problem at all. It should be quite nice, secure now. You've got your console storage, and then even if you've got a USB storage as well. So there's multiple options. Shouldn't be complaining about that. There is now an install location for wherever you want to put your console games for PS5 and PS4 digitally, and obviously for disc installs. So now I'm going to live a much more comfortable life. Now I can download almost any game I have physically and possibly digitally as well on my PlayStation 5 and just go ham. Download as many games as I want. Go crazy. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you doing the same? Are you expanding your PlayStation 5 storage? Do you have enough storage already as it comes from the factory? Are you also have a backlog and you don't know how to get rid of it? I just want to know, guys. And if you've got any more stuff you want me to check out, PlayStation wise, if there's this LED light that's coming to PlayStation, if you just want me to, I don't know, do something crazy with the PlayStation, let me know. Or there's just crazy PlayStation 5 videos out there. We can both check them out together. Comments, everything in life, guys. I'm Mr. Blitztech. I appreciate you being here. See you on the next level. Peace out, Rainbow Trout.